Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am here with this gorgeous Haldi makeup look. This is a very simple and soft glam look and I absolutely love how this has turned out. My base, my lips, my eyes, everything just complements each other, plus the base is super flawless. Why? Because I have used this microfiber blender for the first time and this is from PAC. The name of this is Mr. Bounce. This is not a sponsored video, not a collaboration for sure. I got this blender from my hard-earned money and I absolutely loved the finish. Like, oh my god, this actually speaks for itself, you know. Like people say that this gives you a very airbrushed look and I think my base is looking absolutely gorgeous after using this baby right here. And I have done a first impressions right here and I am just in love, and that's why I had to talk about it. So if you are looking for an in-depth review regarding, do let me know. I will surely do it for you guys. And yeah, so talking about this makeup, you can definitely wear this for your mehendi, haldi, even if you're a bridesmaid or if you're attending a wedding, like especially something cocktail, haldi or mehendi. So this is going to look very gorgeous and will go with many of the outfits. So you can definitely do this. I have even done a makeup tutorial which was very full glam for Haldi, and that is on my second channel, which is Aspiring Beauty. Please go and subscribe to that channel, and even if you're looking for dedicated makeup looks, you're going to find all the dedicated makeup looks in that channel. Plus, if you are looking for mix of everything like makeup, product reviews, vlogs and many more, you are in this channel. You are in the right channel, but I would definitely like you to support me in both my channel. Like, I have seen many of you are leaving my channel because obviously I've started doing the vlogs and people have subscribed to this channel for makeup. I totally understand, but don't leave me na baba. I'm even going to come with makeup, but I do want you guys to support me, so please do that. And yeah, without wasting much time, now let's get into this video. But before that, do like this video if you enjoy, subscribe to my channel, don't leave my channel guys, because I'm gonna do a lot of makeup looks plus the chandan art, whatever you want. Comment down below. You guys have stopped talking to me and that is the main reason that I am not getting motivated and this is not happening. So please comment and even share this with your friends, family and whoever you want to learn makeup. So do that little thing for me. And yeah, now without wasting much time, let's get into this tutorial. So guys, it feels like I'm filming a video for my obsession after super duper long. So yeah, I just woke up. It is what, 6:30 right now in the morning, and let's start the makeup. So first, today I am going to start by priming my face, and for the primer I am taking the oil control primer. This is from PAC Cosmetics and this has gold dust in it and it is even paraben free. I have a little bit of open pores, so that's why I'm going with this today. And today I have a special member right here. So this is Mr. Bounce from PAC. This is a microfiber blender. This is supposed to give you the airbrush look. Plus, this is my first impression and I'm really excited for this because I have heard people rave about this and this is my very first time. I got this for myself. And now for the foundation, I'm again taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Yes, this is a non-chromatogenic product and this really works for my skin. Now can you just see that finish? This actually did not soak up a lot of product. I always take 2 pumps and today I am actually done with 1.5 because I was taking 2 pump and I thought, why not, let me just take a little bit of it. So it was 1.5, not 2 for sure. This actually did not soak up the product and the finish, I can say, is amazing. I just love it. It looks so beautiful and it was like very easy to blend as well. And the best part, it has actually distributed the product evenly. And now for concealer, I'm taking the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer. This is my exact shade and I'm going with this on the areas I normally like to highlight and conceal. So I'm gonna go with this on the forehead, down the bridge of my nose and even around the mouth area plus underneath my eyes to conceal any darkness if I have. And now again I'm going to blend this out and applying any leftover on the eyelids area to prime the lids before the eye makeup. So now I'm just gonna set my eye. So here you can see I'm just applying the powder on the T-zone area just to set a bit because the oil can show up in this particular area, so I have just covered the T-zone. So now I'm going to contour my face, and for that I'm taking the Sugar Vivid Victory and going with the contour shade right here. So I'm gonna go with this on the parameters of my face to get that beautiful sculpted out face. So now as I'm done with half of my base, I'm just gonna go and do my eyebrows. And for that I'm taking the PAC Eyebrow Definer. So for my eyeshadow, first I'm going to use this palette right here. This is the Maybelline City Mini palette. It has gorgeous shades in here, and this is the Coney Iceland Pops. And yeah, I'm gonna go with this transition shade first. And next I'm taking this matte shade right here. I'm gonna go on this area just a little above, so I'm blending the crease seamlessly. Now for the outer V, I'm going with this shade right here, taking very lightly, dusting off any excess. And for the inner part of my eyes, I'm taking this shade right here. And for the mid, I'm taking this Rose Gold. And that is it for the upper lids. Very soft and beautiful it is. Now I'm gonna go and apply a white kajal. For that I'm taking this jumbo pencil. This is the LA Colors. There you are. And for popping up the colors, I'm taking this palette right here, my favorite You Can Be Pretty All Set palette. And I'm starting with this blue right here on the outer corner. And then a little bit of this purple shade, a bit of the orange, and then a little bit of mix of these two yellow shades. And on the inner corners I'm going with this green. So that is it, doing the other eyes and coming back. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I'm going to coat my upper and even lower lashes. So I'm done with my eye makeup. Now straight jump into the face back. And for my blush I'm taking the Eye Magic palette and I'm gonna go with this gorgeous pink shade. That's pigmented. now for the highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is in the shade Rose Gold Molten, and I'm going to apply this on the tops of my face. So I'm going to finish off my makeup with the lipstick, and this is the Sugar Metallic lipstick, and this is in the shade 12 Talata. So I just want to go with something like this because I think the eyes are quite balanced. It is soft, it is going to look very neutral as well, even like with this pop of color. So I just want to go with something like this. I think this is going to look beautiful. You know, the best thing about this lipstick, this actually feels very soft, and it is a matte finish, but it doesn't even, like, I can't say what it feels. It feels like velvety smooth and doesn't even, like, you know, make my lips feel really hard. I actually should go for more colors in this particular range, and I absolutely love how this looks. If you want to mute this down, you can go for a little bit of nude in this area, in the inner parts of your lips, but I think this is looking nice. You know what actually I miss? I miss wearing a good pair of lenses, because this look would have looked really beautiful with lens, but currently I don't have any, and I think let's do this. So guys, this is how the look turned out. Absolutely love how this is looking. It is very fresh, very new, and I remember I used to do this back in the days when I started my channel, like the pop of color. I absolutely loved even then and now, because see, I'm wearing a outfit in this dupatta. You can see it has a lot of colors, and this dupatta really inspired me to create such kind of look. So I'm wearing like a sari. You can even wear anything you want, and this makeup will actually complement a lot of outfits, so you can definitely do that. And as I said, this is going to go with brides, the bridesmaid, the guest, whoever want to wear this makeup. You're most welcome. Go for this makeup look, and I'm sure you're not going to regret, because you're going to get good compliments around this. And even don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button whenever you are going to subscribe. There is a 3 sections, all personalized, and there's something else, so always go on all, so you are going to get all the notifications whenever I'm coming up with my videos. And I think I'm in a very chatty mood today. So I am even forgetting what actually I wanted to say, so I'm just like blah blah blah. So yeah, I think this video has become very lengthy by now. So yeah, even I wanted to tell you one more thing. If you are looking for a glammed up Haldi makeup look, do visit my second channel, which is Aspiring Beauty, and you're going to find all the beautiful makeup. All the dedicated videos are actually going in there, and in this channel I'm doing a lot of different stuff, so please do subscribe if you relate to my channel. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.